Shopify store setup, how to create a shop on Shopify. Hello guys and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to give you a tutorial of how you can set up your own store on Shopify. How can you open your own shop? So let's get into it. First of all, you have to open shopify.com and here you can see that choosing customize theme. You can add products and you can start selling. It's that easy. You can build your own e-commerce website in just 3 easy steps. First of all, you have to enter in your email to start the free trial, or you can just go on and continue with the paid trial after you are done with the free trial. It is just for 3 days. So you can see that. Let's get started. Which one of these describe you best? I'm just starting. Click on next. You can also skip all of these, but it's better to continue with the process because they make a very good customized store for you. It is good if you fill in this information. Where would you like to sell? I want an online store and online marketplaces, social media, in person. I want an online store. Click on next. What do you want to sell first? Products that I make or buy myself, drop shipping, digital product services, print on demand. I have my own products. Click on next. And okay, now where your store will be located, click on next. Okay, so now you have to sign up to Shopify to start your free trial. For that, you can continue with Google, continue with email, continue with Apple. That is up to you. I'm going to continue with email. I'm going to enter the email. Now I'm going to create a password. Okay, create Shopify ID. Okay, so Shopify offers the best converting checkout, and with Shop Pay you can convert 50% better than standard checkout. So they're generating my credentials, they're generating my account for myself. Then I'm going to continue by further showing you the process. Okay, so here you can see that my Shopify store has been open and now my free trial has started, and it's going to end on June 1 because they give you a free trial of 3 days. Now if you want to select a plan, you can go on and select a plan by this option right here. I'm going to show you the plans of Shopify as well. I'm going to I'll show that later, but first of all I have to show you how you can build an online store. So first of all, after coming here, you can see that this is the Shopify. You have orders, you have products, you have customers, content, analytics, marketing, and discounts. Now in the sales and channel, you have point of sale, and then you have your online store. Click on online store and you're gonna see your own online store. You have themes, you have blog posts, pages, navigation, preferences to choose and to continue building your store from. Okay, so first of all, the current theme that is applied to my store is this Dawn theme. And now if you want to change that, you can go onto the theme library, and here you can see that this is Dawn, this is Refresh, this is Craft, and this is Sense and Ride. And let's say I sell make a product, so that's why I'm going to click on this Sense theme, and I'm going to continue by customizing this theme. If you don't like any of this theme, you can visit the theme store of Shopify, which has over 80 free and paid professionally designed themes, but I'm gonna go with this this Sense theme. So it is installing right now, and here you can see that when you want to add a product, you have to click on this option to add a product. It will directly take you the product will directly be found in your store. Your customers are going to be here. You can look at all the content that you have posted. Then you have your analytics. I'm just going to okay, my theme has installed, and that's why I'm just going to click on this customize option, and I'm going to show you how you can customize your theme, your own shop in Shopify. So now here you can see that this is my store, and now here you have your page. It is going to be your page, and here you have all of these editing options. You have announcement bar, header, you can add sections to your header. Then you have a template, you can image with text, you have your browse your text and everything. You can add blocks, you can featured collection, you can add the section in your home page. In your footer, you have an email sign up and your footer. So these are the things that you have on your home page. Now if you want to change any of that, that's completely up to you. So let's go on to the announcement bar. It is not looking very good for me, so that's why I think I'm not gonna I don't want people to see it. Coming on to the header is quite small, so what I'm gonna do is I'm going to desktop logo position is fine. I'm going to change the main menu. You have the main menu integrated in the header. You have a desktop menu. It is a mega menu. I want a mega menu. And then you have a sticky header on scroll up. I want a reduced logo size when there's a sticky header. When I basically scroll down, the sticky header is gonna stick there, but I want a reduced logo size. Then you have your color scheme. Color scheme is the background one. You can accent to, you can change the color scheme to anything like accent to. You have an inverse color scheme as well that you can choose from. It is looking actually more bold. Then you have a country region selector. You want your client to select a country region for their shipment, you can turn that on. You have a language selector, you can turn that on as well, because I want my website to be international. So that's why I want more and more people of different ethnicities to come and buy my product. So that's why language selector is a must. Then you have your mobile logo position, center or left. Then you have your spacing, section, padding. Okay, got it. So the header is sorted. Going back here, you can see that you have your image with text. Okay, so this is basically the template. Now this is a text, browse our latest products, and there should be an image right here which is not present, which you have to add, but for the sake of it, this is where the image is gonna be. So explore free images. I'm gonna explore some free images on Shopify, and I'm going to select an image to make it look more good. Click on select free images and stuff favorites, women's fashion and makeup, fall. Okay, food, men's, nature, coffee, accessory and jewelry. Okay, let's go to accessory and jewelry, and I'm gonna click on any jewelry that I think I looks more good. And okay, here you can see that this is a very aesthetic photo. I'm going to integrate it right here. Okay, so this looks good, this looks perfect. Or you can go with anything else if you want to, that looks more promising to you, but that's completely up to you. I'm just going to show you, for the sake of it, I'm going to show you all of these things. Okay, so free images are done. I've got my image. Now the next thing is, okay, so I've got the image for myself. Now here you can see that you have image height. You wanted large, I wanted medium, something like this. You can change the height and width of the image. Or let's say if you don't want it medium, you want it to adapt to image, something like this. No, that's not looking good. The large was looking good actually. The desktop image width, you want to change it medium, large, that you can change from as well. Then you have your desktop image placement, image second, image first. So image second is text is overpowering the image. Then you have your content position, middle, desktop content alignment, content layout, color scheme, image behavior. If you want to ask ambient movement, let's add this. Okay, so ambient movement, the image is moving a little bit, so it is looking more, pleasing, aesthetically pleasing. Then you have your top padding, bottom padding, and you can also remove this section. So done with the image. Going back, you have an option of, this is the content, my content has been featured, figured out. Then you have your section, email sign up and footer. So in your footer, you need to add your social media links because they look more good. So just go on, select your footer and a heading, subscribe to our email. You can add some other headings as well. Country, region selector, show payment icons, policy links and everything. So the footer looks more pleasing and also more authentic. So after everything is done, you can add more pages into your theme, add embeds into your theme. And after you're done, here, this is your home page. You can add as many pages as you want. You can go on to the menu, you can check the menu, and after you're done with anything, what you can do is you can click on save. Your website will be saved, or you can also publish your website and it will be public to people. So this is how you can build your own store on Shopify. You can add products, you can build a website, and you can add products by the option that I've showed you earlier. And this is very simple, and this is very beginner friendly. So just go on, open your stores and start selling today. So this was it for today's video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. Please give this video a big thumbs up and also subscribe to Software is Made Easy. Thank you.